The roar of water crashing through my front door was the last sound I heard before everything turned silent, and in that silence, I found my resolve. With nothing but the clothes on my back and a relentless spirit, I set out on a journey that was as much about rebuilding my life as it was about rediscovering who I truly was. The days were long and often filled with the daunting task of starting from scratch, but each sunrise became a symbol of hope and the promise of a new beginning. I learned to cherish the small victories, a kind neighbor offering a meal, a stranger's smile, the warmth of community, each one a reminder that life's most profound beauty often arises from the ashes of devastation. As I stood in my newly built home months later, surrounded by fresh walls and the laughter of newfound friends, I realized the flood had washed away my past but revealed the strength within me to create a future. In losing everything, I discovered that courage was not about never falling but about